Okay, so this is a short quiz that I want you guys to do on your own today, okay? So I will read the question to you, but you are filling it out, okay? So it says check my progress, okay? So the first part in the square we will do together, okay? All right, so number one has an equal sign, okay? Because this over here says addition number sentence equals plus and zero. So we're going to draw a line from the equal sign to the word equals, okay? Oh, sorry about that. Okay, let's do that again. All right, we're going to draw a line from equals to this, okay? All right, number two is a plus sign, so we're going to come over here to plus and we're going to draw a line, okay? Number three says 2 plus 3 equals 5. That is an addition number sentence, so we're going to draw a line up here. And number four is a 0, so we're going to draw a line to 0. Okay, that's it for that part, okay? Go ahead and do that. If you need to, pause the video. All right. The next part you're going to do on your own, okay? I'm going to read the questions, but you guys are going to circle the answers, okay? So number 5 says, when you blank numbers together, you find the sum. When you zero numbers together, or when you add numbers together. So this one's 0, this one's add. Circle the right answer. Number 6 says, you can find the whole by adding the parts or adding the sum. Again, this is parts, this is sum. Circle the correct answer. Number 7 says, add 2 parts to find the whole or equals. Again, add 2 parts to find the whole or equals. Circle the correct answer. All right, we are now on the back of your check your progress, okay? So this one says, number 8 says, you have a part 2 and you have another part 4. Use your math counters for this part, okay? So you have 2 and you have 4. Count your numbers together and then put the whole on that line right there for number 8. Number 9 says, you have 3 red and 5 yellow. What is your whole? So your part is 3, your other part is 5. What is your whole? Write it on that line. Down here on number 10, you have some green apples. You're going to count how many green apples you have and put on this line. You're going to put a plus right here. And then you're going to count how many oranges. You're going to put it on this line. You're going to put an equal sign right here. And then you're going to count all of your fruit together and put it on this line right here. Number 11 says there are 4 red apples and 2 green apples in a bag. How many apples are there in all? So you're going to write a number 4 on this line. You're going to add a plus, and then you're going to add a number 2 on this line, and you're going to add an equals. Then you're going to count all of them together. So 4 plus 2, and you're going to put the number on this line right here. All right, you do not have to do this part right here, so you can go ahead and draw an X right here. If you have any trouble at all, go ahead and press pause and go back and watch the video. Okay, that is it.